Hi, I'm Jim Wieczorek. I'm an attorney. I've been licensed in the state of Missouri for almost 10 years now. I work with another attorney, Michael George. Him and I are together. I also have an office set up in my house, and I work from home on most of the time and do that. Practically, the work I do now is specifically, I do personal injury, workers' comp, some small traffic things and of that nature. And my partner, he does, Mike George, he does will and trust litigation. So it's a good mix. We work together well. We've been together about 8 years since we got out of law school. I say I've been out of law school about 10 years. I've been going to the Solo and Small Firm Conference for 8 of those 10 years, and I have to say that it's just been a great experience in a lot of ways. There are numerous factors that I find positive with the whole experience of going to the Solo and Small Firm Conference. One of the things is just the networking. Get together and see people in similar situations that I am as far as our practice areas, and then in other areas of practice that you may not do. But it's a good place to network. And the other thing I think is beneficial is that you find people all over the state of Missouri. There's communication there, and if it's an area of law that you don't do, or if it's something that is another area that you maybe don't practice in that certain area across the state, there's networking there. You can discuss things with the people, and you can always say, hey, I met you at the Solo and Small Firm Conference. I got this type of case or something of that, and there can always provide you any type of resources, any assistance, help, guidance. Anything along those lines is good to really have in a situation. If you go to a Solo and Small Firm Conference, like I say, I've been going there 8 years. My first year, of course, you're a little bit nervous when you do stuff, but I think if you're going for the first time, one of the important things is the friendliness of the whole seminar and the whole conference and everything like that. The people are friendly. It's a real relaxed atmosphere. People are there having fun. You're learning stuff. You're able to communicate. There are people that's fresh out of law school. There have been people going there for 5 years, 10 years, I think, as far as 20 years, some of the people have been attending the conference. I think it's just a real relaxed atmosphere. Plus the knowledge you get from the courses they offer. I think it's probably 70, 80 different courses that they offer in different areas of law. So there's always something there for you to gain some knowledge. And not only that, you're talking to the presenters, people in those conferences, you get course materials. The course materials are extremely beneficial. The other thing that I think is great with this conference is the fact that it is a great value for your money, especially if you don't procrastinate and you get registered early. I think it's, I don't know, $250 or something like that. So I think that in and of itself is a great value to get all your CLE credits, to get all this information, the networking, the entertainment. The entertainment's great too, and for that price it includes your meals and, like I say, the entertainment. And you're meeting like people. I've developed friendships over the course of going to the Solo and Small Firm Conference that I continue today on a weekly basis sometimes, if not monthly, of talking to the people and saying, hey, I got this going on and things of that nature. So it's great for that. So as far as if you're going there, I think it's just a great value. It's great networking with the people. It's a wealth of information, and like I say, there's just the entertainment value of it. It's fun to get around people. It's great for families too. If you go there and you have questions, you can call, email, get in touch with the people that have been there, the presenters, the people you've met, and they're more than willing to help out. We're somewhat, since it's a Solo and Small Firm, we're somewhat in the same similar situation. And it's just so diverse too about the areas of practice and the areas of law that the courses are on. And it's valuable information. Since it's constantly changing in so many areas, you bring it up to date. And that affords you the opportunity to stay on top of what's going on. To somewhat kind of sum up things, I think the Solo and Small Firm Conference is a great value, a great learning experience, a good atmosphere, good entertainment, and just good value for your dollar, and just the meeting of people and developing those relationships that for me have continued the whole time that I've been practicing law. So I find all of that very important. It's just a great conference.